A 5-volt SMPS, switched-mode power supply, is an advanced electronic power supply unit that efficiently converts input voltage to a stable 5-volt direct current (DC) output. These power supplies are commonly used in a wide range of electronic devices, including computers, smartphones, embedded systems, and industrial equipment. A 5-volt SMPS, switched-mode power supply, is an efficient and compact power supply unit that converts alternating current, AC, into regulated direct current, DC, with a stable output voltage of 5 volts. SMPS technology utilizes high-frequency switching to regulate voltage and control the output efficiently. These power supplies are commonly used to provide low-voltage, high-current power to various electronic devices and components, such as microcontrollers, LEDs, and sensors. Their compact size, high efficiency, and ability to maintain a consistent voltage output make 5-volt SMPS units a popular choice for powering a wide range of electronics while minimizing energy consumption and heat generation. A 5-volt SMPS, switched-mode power supply, is an advanced and efficient power supply solution that ensures stable and reliable power for a diverse range of electronic devices and applications. Whether you need to power your computer, charge your mobile devices, drive embedded systems, or support industrial equipment, a 5-volt SMPS delivers efficient and precise power conversion.